In the last video, we toured the visual form builder. Now let us add some custom fields of our own. Open the Add Field tab and you will find a whole library of field types. Beyond the required fields, there are text inputs, choices, dates, numbers, file uploads, and more. Just drag in whatever your campaign needs. Choice fields let your donors pick an answer. A checkbox is perfect for a simple opt-in, like joining your newsletter. Radio buttons and dropdowns handle a longer list of options. We build a dropdown step-by-step in another video. Other fields collect a specific kind of answer. Add a date field and donors get a proper date picker. You choose the format and the earliest and latest dates you will accept. Phone, number, and website fields validate their input too. Some fields are there just for structure. A headline groups a section and gives it a clear title. A divider draws a clean line between one part of the form and the next. Neither collects any data, they just make a longer form easier to read. Down in Pro Fields, you will find a donor comment box and a referral code field. Switch those on from your Charitable settings whenever you need them. Save your campaign, and every new field is live on your donation page. Your form built exactly the way you want. That is the field library. For more Charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.